Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, Mister. Yeah, Mister.
Today, inshallah, wait a second. Today,
Okay.
inshallah, sorry. Today, inshallah, we will do more about numerical expressions, how to calculate, evaluate numerical expressions. Sam, do you hear me? Do you see the board?
Yeah,
Good.
very well.
Now, let's start, guys. Just remember what we did in the previous lesson. We did the order of operations. We said we have 4 order of operations. Step 1, we do parentheses or brackets, right? Step 2, we do exponents. We do exponents. Step 3, we do multiply or divide from left to right. And the step 4, we do plus or minus from left to right. This is the order of operations. Okay, and we did, I think, example 1 and check 1, right, Isam?
Yeah.
Right. Now today we go to example 2, guys, together. Example 2, we have example 2, we have Nidal. Read ya Nidal, yalla.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, example 2 ya Nidal, read.
Evaluate 5 plus parentheses 8 power to the power of 2 divide 2 over 5 parentheses multiply 2.
Good. So this is example 2. We need to evaluate this numerical expression, guys. Can you tell me, mister, from where we start?
We start with the 2 parentheses.
We start from the parentheses, guys, because the order of operation, the first step is the parentheses. But inside the parentheses, we have exponent and division. From where we start?
We start from the exponent.
Because the exponent becomes before the division, so we start from the exponent. So here we put equal, guys, 5 plus bracket, because first we'll do the exponent, then we will divide, right? Yeah, 8 to the power 2, we make it outside, guys. 8 to the power 2 is 8 by 8, which is 64. صح يا عصام يا نضال?
Yes.
Yeah. So 8 power 2, it is 64 divided by 2 over 5 multiplied by 2. I didn't get rid of the brackets of the parentheses because I'm still in it. I'm still doing it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what I will do, ya Nidal, can you tell me?
This equals 5 plus brackets 64 over 1. And we will
So
make
we will
the,
divide, right?
yeah.
Now we'll do the bracket. We'll do the parentheses. We need to get rid of it. So we'll calculate what's inside the parentheses first. So I will take this expression, 64 divided by 2 over 5 outside, and make it. What's this? This is division of fractions, if this over 1, right?
Then we will make 64 over 1 multiply 5 over 2.
Mumtaz. So what we do, guys, we did division of fractions as we did before so much, many times. Now I will multiply up. It will be 320, I think. 1 times 2 is 2, right?
Yeah.
So 320
We will
divided
make
by
long
2,
division.
divide. I'm finding the answer to put it in a place of the parentheses here. Yalla, 3 and 2, 1, 2, subtract 1, 2, 6, 0. 160, right?
Yes.
160. Now, all of this, guys, it is in the place of the parentheses. The answer of the parentheses is 160. So I replace it by 160 multiplied by 2. Now I get rid of the parentheses. Got it, Yanidal?
Yes, mister. Then we will make 160 by 2. It will be 200, 324.
Now we have addition and multiplication, Yanidal. What I will do?
But we will make multiplication.
Yeah, 5 plus 160 multiplied by 2, it is 320.
Yes.
Now add them.
Now we will make the addition. It is 5 by plus 320, 325.
Excellent. This is example 2, guys, page 270. This is example 2.
Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Mr. I have a question. If
Oh.
if two brackets, inside the two brackets is two parentheses, what we will do first?
Like this.
Yeah, and there is no
So, for
buts.
example, if we have 2 and here it multiply 3 minus 1 plus 9, for example. Look,
Yes.
here I will do the insider one first, then the outsider one. I'll go from inside to outside, okay?
Okay.
So first thing, I will do what's insider in the insider parentheses. So 2 still the same, 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 9.
And it's like when the brackets is inside the parentheses, like the same.
Yeah. If we have a bracket and inside it bracket inside the parentheses, we'll do the insider one, then we'll go to outside one.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome. Now this is example 2, guys. We'll go to the check. We have check under example 2, I think. We have check under example 2. Let's do it together. I want someone with me here. Yanal Fadi.
Stop.
Yalla Yanal. Check under example 2.
Evaluate 8.2 multiply brackets 2 2 of the power 4 minus 3 bracket plus 8.
Let me check. 8.2 multiply parenthesis 2 power 4 minus 3 plus 8, right?
Yes.
Yeah. From where we
First,
start, Yanal?
From the brackets.
From the parentheses, yeah. But inside the parentheses, what I have power and subtraction. What I will do first?
Power exponent.
I'll do the power. So the 8.2 still 8.2 multiply. I will prepare the power outside. Hi, 2 to the
Outside.
power 4. How we find it?
2 multiply 4 multiply 4. No, 4 multiply 4 يا مستر.
ركز يا ابني. Calm down. اهدى. 2 exponent 4. How we find it?
2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2.
ايوه شفت لما بنهدى كيف بنحل؟ اهدى.
2
يلا.
multiply 2 4.
Times 2.
6. 8 يا مستر 8.
ينال.
What?
ينال.
16.
ينال.
That's 16.
ينال.
Yes.
ينال. Slow down.
Okay.
Easy. Take it easy. Breathe. يلا. 2 by 2.
4.
4 by 2.
8.
8 by 2.
16.
16. Now I replace the 2 to exponent 4 by 16 and the minus 3 will comes down. I didn't get rid of the parentheses because I'm still doing it. I'm still preparing it. The
Yeah.
next step, Yanar.
8.2 still the same.
Tamam. 8.2 the same. Multiply.
Multiply parentheses 16 minus 3 equals 13.
Equals 13. Now I get rid of the parentheses because I'm done with it. And the plus 8 comes the same. Now what I will do,
Multiplication or division.
let's
Multiplication.
multiply or divide. We have multiply here. 8.2 multiply 13. How we multiply these two numbers?
we رتب them, make it division. Multiplication 8.2 multiply 13.
How?
We go outside and then make a multiplication.
Yalla, what I will do here, tell me.
2 multiply 8. 8 multiply 2, sorry.
Where is the 8 multiply 2? So there is no 8 multiply 2 here.
8.2, I say 8.2, not multiply 2.
8.2 multiplied by what?
By times 2 multiply by 13.
13. This is how we multiply decimals.
No, we multiply without decimal, then we will
Uh-huh.
put the
We remove the decimal. 82 multiply 13. Let's multiply. Tell me, yalla, what I will do here?
3 multiply 2 equals 6.
Then,
3 multiply 8 equals 24.
then,
0, put down 0. 1 multiply 2, 2. 1 multiply 8, 8. We add 6, 9, 10, 10.
right?
Yes.
So, after we finish, where I will put the decimal, ya mister? We have decimal.
We put it to 1 digit.
Between the two sixes here, right?
Yeah, yes.
So the answer here, 106.6 plus what? 8. Now what I will do, ya Yanal?
106.6 plus 8.
Yeah. How we add these two numbers here?
Normal addition.
Yeah. Tell me what I will write here.
We go outside, then 106.6, then 8.
Where I will put the 8?
In the 6.
Which 6? This
The last
one, the
one,
first
the last
one, or the second one?
The first one.
The first one here.
Yeah.
ممتاز يا نال أحسنت.
No, mister. The second one. The second one.
Why يا مستر؟
Because we put it after the decimal.
The
0.
8 has no decimal, right?
Yeah.
We add decimal for 8. The 8 is ones. It will be under the ones. This is tenths. Got it?
Yes.
Now let's add 6. Here
6,
14.
14.
1. So 114 and the decimal in its place. So it's 114.6.
14.6.
ممتازة ينال. Thank you. Copy, guys. This is the check under example 2. Copy it, please. And guys, before you copy, take a look here. Take a look here, please, all of you. Here we did exponent. Then we did division of fractions. We took a whole chapter of division of fractions. Here, exponent, we did exponent before. Multiply decimals, we did multiply decimals before. Add decimals, we did add decimals before. That's why in the previous chapters, guys, we took a lot of things to prepare you, to build you for this idea, to do a lot of calculations on the same question. But in before, guys, we did division by a fraction alone. We did exponent alone. We did multiply decimals alone. We did add decimals alone. But now we did them all together. So you need to use what we took before. You need to use it, guys. You need to revise always. Copy. This is the check under example 2. Sorry guys, copy the check. And then we'll go to example 3 together. Now, example 3.
Mister, there is AC sound.
What?
There is an AC sound.
Okay. Start. Example 3. Let's go to example 3. عمرو. read يا عمرو example 3 يلا.
Okay. Paula is shopping for the items shown in the table. Item lotion cost five.
Let me copy the
Candle,
table,
seven-
please. Wait, yeah.
Okay.
I need the table. Let me copy it. Here we have the item, and here we have the cost, right?
Yes.
The first one is lotion, right?
Lotion cost
And
5. Lotion
cost
and
$5.
candle. Yes.
Candle
Candle
cost how much?
7.80.
$7.8. And the third one,
Lip balm.
balm,
Yes, lip balm.
how much?
2.49.
$2.49. But this is the table, guys. And Paula, she wanna go to a store to buy these items here, some of them. Continue, Yang.
Write an expression to represent the total cost of 5 lotions, 2 candles, and 4 lip balm.
How many lotions she wanna buy?
5.
5. And how many candles?
2.
2 candles. And how many balms?
4.
4 balms. Continue.
Part A, write an expression. Cost of lotions, 5 to the power of 2. Cost of candles,
خلاص يا
2
خلاص يا
multiply.
عم enough.
Yes.
Now, what's the question once, guys? This Paula girl, she wanna go to the store and she wanna buy 5 of the lotions, but each lotion cost $5, and she wanna buy 2 from the candles, but each candle costs 7.8, and she wanna buy 4 balms, but each balm costs 2.49. Amr,
Yes.
if one lotion costs $5, how many 5 caution? How many 5 lotions cost?
25.
20?
5.
Because we multiply the cost
5.
one by the number of the lotions she wanna buy, right?
Yeah.
So
5
5
multiply 5 equal
plus.
25.
لا ما احنا
Five-
بنكمل in one
Yeah, yeah.
time.
5
This is the
multiply
lotion.
5.
طب, if she wanna buy 2 candles, but each candle costs 7.8.
Yes.
So
We will multiply 7.8 multiply 2.
2 multiply 7.8. 2 the number of candles, and each candle costs 7.8. But
8.
if she wanna buy 4 balms, but each balm costs 2.49.
So 4 multiply 2.49.
4 multiply 2.49.
49.
Good. Now in the book, guys, they wrote 5 by 5. They wrote it as 5 power 2. It is the same. 5 power 2.
Yes.
It is the same of 5 by 5.
5 multiply
Stop.
5.
Now let's find the answers, yeah, Amr here. Do we have parentheses?
No.
No, we don't have parentheses. Do we have exponents here?
Yes, 5 to the power of 2.
Here, now, here. Do we have exponents?
No.
Stop. Do we have multiply or divide? The third one?
Yes, we have multiply.
We have multiply. So first we will multiply, right?
Yes, 5
Let's
multiply
multiply.
5.
Yalla, 5 by 5
25.
plus 2 multiply 7.8. How we find it?
We will multiply 78 multiplied by 2.
78 multiplied by 2.
2, 8, 16, 14, 15.
156. Where we will put the decimal, ya Amr?
After one digit, between
Where?
the 5
Tell
and
me.
6. Between the 5 and 6.
Excellent. Plus 4 multiply 2.49. We will multiply
We will make
first, right?
249. 249 multiply 4.
4 by
4
9,
multiply-
36.
36.
16,
4 by 4,
19.
16, 19. 4, 2, 8.
996. Where we put the decimal?
After 2 digits, 9.96.
Excellent. Now, we finished with the multiplications, right?
Yeah,
What I will do now?
we will add.
We will add the 3 numbers, guys. How we will add the 3 numbers? We start with the 25, we put it.
25.
And the other numbers have decimals, guys, but the 25 has no decimal. So I add decimal and put 0.
0.
Normal. Now here 15.6, we put decimal under
Decimal over decimal. 5,
and
1, 6.
9.96, decimal under decimal.
Decimal
9,
25,
9,
and 9. 6. Add.
Now we have empty spaces, remember?
Fill it with 0.
Add. This is 6.
6.
This is 15. The
15.
decimal comes down.
Yes.
20.
20.
4,
2 plus
5.
3, 5.
So what's the final answer?
50.56.
So the total cost Paula should pay is $50.56.
50.56. Yeah.
This is example 3, guys. This is example 3. The total cost. Thank you, Amr. Now we have check after this page, guys. We have check. Look in page 272. We have check with 2 parts. This is example 3, guys. Let's go to the check after this example. Page 273, I think, or 72. 72. Go to the check, guys, and let's do it together. We have 2 parts, part A and part B. 2 questions means. Let's start with part A. Read in Najm, yalla.
Yes, mister.
Read part A.
Okay. Part A. Suppose, wait. The tickets
question
to a
before,
play
the check.
cost $10.15 for adults. What is that?
Continue.
Members of the series, $19.95 for adults, non-members, and $8 for students.
Good. So we have 3 types of tickets, guys. Look here, I will make a table, small table. Here the ticket, and here the cost. Okay? The ticket and the cost. Now we have 3 types of tickets. The first one, adult or member. How much the cost of the adult member, yeah, mister?
$10.15.
10.50. I will write it 10.5, guys. It's the same.
Okay.
Dollar. The second one is adult, but not member. What's the cost?
The cost is $19.95, means $19.95.
$19.95. The third type of the tickets is student. What's the cost for the students?
$8.
$8. Okay, this is the summary of the question. We have, if you are adult and member, your ticket is cost 10.5. Adult and not member, 19.95. If you are a student, the ticket is $8. Continue, ya mister. Najm. Hello. Hello. طيب. راح نجم. ينال محمد. Najm, focus with us.
Yes,
please.
mister.
Yanal, continue.
Yes. Suppose 4 non-members, 2 members, and 8 students are buying tickets for the
again,
play.
again,
Which
again, ya mister,
expression?
again. Read again. Suppose
Suppose 4 non-members.
4 non-members,
Two.
right?
Yes.
So here we have 4 and
2 members.
2 members. The first one here 2. And how many students?
And 8 students.
8 students, they want to buy tickets. So we have 2 adult members, 4 non-members, and 8 students. They are all together, they want to buy tickets. Can you tell me what's the expression here to find the total cost of all of them, yeah, mister?
Yes. 2 multiply $10.5.
If one ticket of the adult member, guys, is 10.5, but if we have 2 adult members together, they want to buy 2 multiply 10.5, right? Plus,
Yeah.
the second here, the adult but not member.
4 multiply
4
19.95.
multiply 19.95 plus, if you are a student, the one ticket is $8. But if we are 8 students together, it will be 8 multiply 8, right? Now,
Yeah.
8 multiply 8, guys, we can express it as exponent, right?
An exponent.
We can express it as exponent, but here we cannot because they are not the same numbers. But here we can make it as exponent. Now we have choices in part A. We have
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, like the exam. Which choice gives this one?
Choice B.
Choice B. If you go to choice B, guys, they will have the same numbers here. What we have in choice B? We have 2 by 19.95, 2 by 10.50, plus 8 power 2. They bought this one here and this one here. It's okay. In the addition, it's okay. We are commutative. So 4 multiply 19.95 plus 2 multiply 10.5 plus 8 power 2, which is the same of 8 multiply 8. Do you get it, Yananal? So
Yeah.
select part B, guys. In part A, the correct choice is B. Do you understand it, Yanan? Good.
Yeah, I understand.
Now I will go to
it.
part B, guys. We have part B under Abdel Sattar.
Yes, Mr.
Yal. Do you understand part A, Abdel Sattar?
Yes, Mr. I understand.
Yal. Go with me to part B. Read the question.
Okay. What is the total cost of the
Abdel Sattar, your voice is not clear.
Mr. Can you hear me? Mr. Can you hear me?
Your voice, Mr., is not clear. It has a lot of echo.
Mr. Hello.
Yes. Talk, Mr. Yal.
Okay.
Read.
What is the total cost of the tickets?
What is the total cost of the tickets? Means we need to find the answer of part B, right?
Right.
Yeah, write with me, guys. So we have 2 multiply 10.5 plus 4 multiply 19.95 plus 8 to the power of 2. اللي هي 8 by 8, the same. يلا يا مستر. How we will find this?
First, we look for brackets.
Do we have parentheses?
No.
Do we have exponents?
Yes.
Where is it?
8 to the power 2 or 8
I make it already 8 by 8.
Okay, then it's 64.
Now what we will do?
We look for multipliers. From left to right.
I'm sorry, I can't hear anything from you, Abdul Sattar. Try to check your mic. Maybe you have problem there. Sorry.
Mister, we make multiply from the left to right.
I can't hear you, Mister. I'm sorry. Omar Koshak.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, ya Omar. What I couldn't hear Abdul Sattar. Can you tell me what I will do here?
Yes, Mr. Abdul Sattar said that we will multiply from left to right.
Good. Excellent, Abdul Sattar. Yalla. Then what he said?
We will multiply from left to right. So
Okay.
2 multiply 10.5.
It will be 21.
Yes.
And here, 4 by 19.95. How we multiply it?
We will remove the decimal, then multiply.
4 multiply 19.95. 4 by 5, 20.
20.
36 with 2, 38. 36 with a 3, 39.
39.
4 by 1, 4 with a 3, 7. So we have here 7, 9, 8, 0. And the
Put the
decimal will be
decimal
where? Here.
between 9 and 8.
Good. The last one, 8 by 8, how much?
64.
Now what I will do here, mister, tell me.
We will add them all.
Yeah, let's add them all. We have a 21, it has no decimal, we add 0 like this. And the second number, 7, 9, decimal, 8, 0. And the third number has no decimal also.
64. 0.
No need for this 0. Add. Here, 8,
8.
decimal,
14.
3, 10, 16. So what's the answer?
164.8.
So the answer, the total cost of the tickets, guys, will be $164.8.
$8.
This is check page 272, guys, part A. The correct choice of part A is B. And part B down, you write the question and find your multiples and you add them, then you have your final answer. This is part A and part B, guys, done by Abdul Sattar Umar, Uyanal, Unajim. All of you get participated in this. Okay. Copy, guys, part A and B. Now I want all of you to remove your hands, please. All of you. Remove your hands quickly. Remove your hands, guys. بسرعة. Now, if you have a question, keep your hand, put your hand. If you don't understand anything, guys, put your hand. طيب عصام.
Hi, Mister. Yeah. Mister?
Yes, mister. What's your question?
Nothing. I forget from the beginning of the lesson to stop it.
طيب إياد.
Yes, Mister.
What's your question يا إياد?
I want to answer.
طب شوفوا بديش أعصب اليوم ها. شوفوا أنا قديش كويس. اليوم بديش أعصب. إياد, do you understand everything?
Yes.
Good boy. Tomorrow you will be the first one to answer, Iyad, okay?
Okay.
Inshallah. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Hope you finished copying. If you didn't, you can see the video after we download it. Thank you so much. And tomorrow, do not